Hello my friend, today I wanna fix the layered haircut. As you see, this hair previously cut and layered. She has some short hair here, some medium hair here, and some longer here. But you can easily see the lines. That is not supposed to. Layer haircut has it. So for fixing this hair is very easy. Make a slice horizontal line from top to bottom. You can separate this one with the others. Comb all the hair and make a horizontal line. And you see the difference between long to short hair. Whatever you see the extra, cut it. Make another layer, another section. Hold it in your hand, bring it up. If you see any difference between long to short, cut it. Make another section. You should see all the hair that you had it long to short. Whatever you see between, cut the hair. Make another line. All should be horizontal. In my last video, I said the horizontal line is good for layering the hair. Now you see the long hair and here should be short. Whatever is between, cut the hair. Horizontal line, section it, hold it in your hand. Whatever is between long to short, cut the hair. Now you see here, slowly, the line that was before is disappeared. Again, you can cross check it again. Make a horizontal line and whatever you see between, cut it. Now you see how nicely blend with short to long and you don't see any line as before. Thank you for watching.